Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Cloudflare speed and cache rules for WooCommerce, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard for your WooCommerce site. Locate the caching tab on the top menu. Click on the caching option to explore the settings. Review the caching level to ensure it's set appropriately for your site. Adjust the caching level to standard for optimal performance. Next, head to the Page Rules tab in the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Create Page Rule to set specific caching behaviors. Enter the URL pattern for your WooCommerce store, such as example.com/*. Select Cache Level from the drop-down menu. Choose Cache Everything to improve speed for static files. Add another rule for dynamic content, like example.com/cart/*. Set the cache level for this rule to bypass. Next, verify the Always Online feature is enabled. This ensures your site remains accessible even during server downtime. Proceed to the Speed tab in the Cloudflare dashboard. Check that Auto Minify is enabled for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Enabling this option can significantly enhance your site's loading speed. Next, navigate to the Network tab. Ensure that HTTP/2 is enabled for faster file transfers. Check the setting for Rocket Loader to optimize loading for JavaScript. Test the speed of your WooCommerce site using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Enter your store's URL and review the performance metrics. Focus on the loading performance score and take note of any suggestions. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard to make any necessary adjustments. Consider integrating Cloudflare's CDN for improved global delivery. Once adjustments are made, rerun the speed test. Monitor the cache hit ratio in the Cloudflare dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.